Hello, I'm Cyril, and today I'm here to discuss attribution in marketplace. So, in the previous video, we discussed what is attribution. Attribution is basically understanding what is the data trying to tell us. It is about understanding the journey of the consumer, right? So now we know what is attribution. So let us understand about what is attribution to an organization and how that actually work within a marketplace. So we have various companies such as Google and Visual IQ, which are offering us attribution solutions as a software entity, right? So Google has Google Attribution, which is part of Google Analytics, while Visual IQ is a company that is growing for the past 10 years and it is also offering us with an attribution solution, right? So Google AdWords integrate within its own attribution solution, right? And similarly, affiliate platforms have a form of attribution within the system that they use. And this also applies in display marketing. So, number of industry bodies and the trends have impacted the meaning of attribution to an organization. Various changes keep on coming and various trends are being set. So the meaning of attribution is changing. Its definition is changing, its implementation is changing. Businesses have made attribution a key requirement within a lot of organizations, right? So a question arises that how should we choose the attribution model? So for doing that, we should keep in mind the scenario that fits best the needs of our organization because it can be different for each organization, right? Each organization can have different perspectives, different goals. So we should focus on the scenario for our organization. While attribution is holding such a large value, there are some challenges that businesses are facing. So, the first challenge is the GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, which is there, which limits the personalized data that we can store about an individual. Now, this is a challenge not just for attribution, but also for analytics, because we have to be very careful about what data are we storing, right? We cannot violate these. And it also limits what we can do with the data. Then another challenge that we have is tracking user across various devices. So we have discussed this, that a user might access, let's say, our website from different devices. Then how do we keep track of it? So there are various solutions for it that we are going to discuss in the upcoming video, right? But this is also a challenge that is faced by the businesses. Then another challenge is measuring ROI. So measuring return on investment and using attribution to do it is an integral part to every organization. And as per statistics, nearly 43% of the organizations see it as a challenge. But it is more of like a challenge to 100% of an organization because measuring ROI is very important, right? So, quick fact about Google is that it has got a number of attribution model within its product. They purchased Adometry a long time ago and they rolled it into analytics package and then into attribution 360, right? So we discussed what is attribution in marketplace, how are things working around. We discussed about Google, about visual, then we discussed about affiliate platforms. Then we also discussed various challenges that the businesses are facing, GDPR, tracking user across various devices, and measuring ROI. So we are going to see a lot more detail about attribution in the upcoming videos. Thank you.